You ever played a game of Grottos and Gremlins?
I think tonight me and my friend Jim are gonna be hitting up the margee. You're such a noo-noo. I felt in 5 bites and I feel good.
I've got archive
Eat it.
research. Farewell. See you soon.
Hey, is this yours? Don't forget, class, geography is where it's at. Well, someone's been paying attention, it seems.
Watch and learn, suckers! And done.
Useless.
I got locked in a closet yesterday. Those guys
Any
are
society
such
that encourages
jokers.
tolerance and compassion over straight A's.
You're nothing but poor trash.
Who's a hero now? Okay.
Welfare case.
Someone put
Yeah,
mashed
that's
potatoes
nice.
in my shoes while I
Best part is that you can't do anything about it. Nice one, shorty.
Cheap. I'll put you in your place. I'm really starting to like that Lola girl. Too bad Daddy will never approve.
Come on, hero. Walk
Oh,
off,
the
don't
stuff.
you? I'll
Children.
give you some
Food fighter.
Have you ever been to the Hogwarts? I really like hanging out with Miss Danvers.
I wonder
I
what
thought the
everyone is
doctor's
talking
documents
about
for half
this
an hour yesterday.
Nobody's getting out of here alive.
Hey, why do you keep falling down?
Tell you
Get
what,
ready to be
stop
pounding
being an
down
idiot
like
and
a
shut
man.
up.
So you know what else?
I'm telling on you! I'm telling!
Come on, you punk! Fuck! Back off! Sorry, Johnny. You deserve that.
Vascular surgeon or a neurologist. I do not want to be a dermatologist. No way.
Now, if I could read all 3 tonight.
If I catch anyone using a calculator, it's going in the garbage. You're not even trying, are you? I see someone's done their homework.
You paying attention? Another job well done.
I wonder, did the army receive my application?
Don't be stupid.
I ain't scared of you.
Who's it?
Oh, be more careful, sir.
I searched that kid's room and didn't find choice.
What you say before you send me?
Why am I surrounded by morons?
So, get over to the corner.
I'll
Get you, mayo stain!
Your mama hits better.
Golly, I think I focus too much on school
You're
sometimes.
dead!
I got something for you. Like you put something in the water. Hey, check this out.
You been on a cruise ship?
There are just too many hot girls and not enough time. Homework's a drag.
So you came.
Yup.
I bet you think I'm funny, don't you? A laughing stock?
Not really. I mean, you dress a little weird, but...
Yeah, and everyone is laughing at me. All of you, at me!
What are you talking about?
Don't play dumb with me. Have you had her?
Who are you talking about?
I bet you have. Have you had her?
What are you doing? Who?
Lola! That slut! That slut I love.
No, man!
She's cheating on me, man. I know she is. The little slut. Oh, it's killing me. Me, dying over a broad? Oh, man, I knew this was coming.
What are you talking about?
She's with that rich kid Gord. I know she is.
How do you know?
Will you find out for me? I can't take the suspense. Look, meet me at the underpass near New Coventry tonight. We'll get evidence. Bring a camera, and then we'll settle this once and for all.
If you were smart, you'd get the hell off my...
If I don't get that A, my mom will be so disappointed.
I can't wait to be rich one day. Buy low, sell high.
So, did you ever hang out with a girl like me?
Yes, but I wasn't that impressed.
Did you go to the Blue Balls pool hall? It's cool.
I think my dad would be impressed.
Have you ever, kissed someone?
Yes, because Johnny said it was a good idea. Hello there.
Hey, how's it going? Me? Oh,
No explanation. No nothing. And it's not like they care about the heart condition.
hey, gosh.
Hello there.
Did you go to the Blue Balls pool hall? It's cool.
Yes, but I wasn't that impressed. I really need something to tell them.
else.
What the flying hell is going on? You little piece of crap! I'll mangle you when I get a hold of you! You sure you can handle me?
It would be nice if you showed your interest in me by presenting me with a gift of some kind.
Why won't my hands get clean?
By the Brooklyn Bridge.
Nobody cares what a fool like you is.
Here are the pictures, Johnny. Lola's a bit of a slut, it seems.
I knew it! I just knew it!
There we go. Done.
Man, maybe scoring with so many chicks is getting boring.
What's this Gord kid got that I ain't got?
Nothing?
You think it's funny, don't you? You think I'm a joke? Well, my little friend, I'm the king around here. Me!
I know. You're the king.
But my queen is a slut, and now everybody's laughing at me! Well, not anymore!
I'm not laughing.
Good. Good, kid. You and me, we're gonna teach young Gord to keep his dirty paws off my woman. My queen! Get him to the abandoned building in New Coventry behind Union Hall. I'll be waiting there to school that little weasel.
I'll be there.
Me to be its first attempt.
I'll put you in your place.
Hang on! This can't be it!
Get back up!
You're under arrest!
You better not damage my
I'm on you like white on rice!
Well, hello, Gord. Seems like you've been messing where you ought not.
No, cousins are legal. Oh, you mean Lola?
Yeah, my woman. Now you pay!
I'm an excellent boxer, you know.
I'll knock you down.
Got some of that burning hatred out of my system. Here's your cash. Now scram.
Yeah, okay, Johnny. I'm good. What can I say?
really cool if you could help me.
I wish I could do
You know what
something
would be
wild
cool?
and
If you
exciting.
egged the girls
Well,
dorm.
okay.
Come on, do it.
Thank you.
Please, nobody hurt me today.
Hi there.
Got something for you, punk.
Can you just leave me alone?
You're a joke. Yeah, you.